The 2016 Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead Coupe. This two-door, four-passenger convertible offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 12-cylinder engine, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the following features are included: power trunk closing assist, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, a power convertible roof, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 15 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.